Right, I've got all the site set up in WordPress, and I've used ACF fields and Oxygen Builder to create an archive page, which is here, and I'm going to show you how to add a new listing, a new car. So first of all, we go to My Vehicles, Add New. I've got some information here, look. So we'll take the title and we'll take a description. On single vehicle template, and then the model is there, so put that in. Price 63,515. Fuel types, petrol, brand new car, 5 dwarfs, automatic. Just put that in. Obviously it has got history, although it's new. Miles, just put 1,000. Now the main image will have that one, and the gallery, 1, 2, 3, select, publish. There you can see the listing, title, year, all the details, price, inquiry, gallery, description. And that's how easy it is to list on this site. See you later.